believe celebrities have responsibility to speak upon women issues, and how do you choose which cause is the champion?
I think that being somebody who has a following and being someone who receives love and people's admiration, and as somebody who receives love and people's admiration, I think that it's a privilege that should not be taken lightly. I think
Yeah.
if you have that power, you also have the power to influence.
Absolutely.
And of course, all of us are like selling things and ideas for people to invest in. Why not also promote ideas and things that we truly believe in, something that can be of some use to the society, or drive some kind of change that we're all collectively working for.
Okay. So you have disrupted more than one space, be it entertainment, fashion. What drives you to keep reinventing yourself?
Just seeing other women do it successfully, I think is a huge motivator. You all, even as kids, we always looked up to people who were doing something different, who
Absolutely.
were like examples, who were role models. We read about them in history books, we saw them on television. So I think just seeing people, and today to see that the sky is the limit, and you can
Yeah.
actually it's not necessary to like stick to like one career or one aspect of art. You can really dabble in multiple things and keep growing, keep evolving. Gives me hope, and I feel that I also want to try and do that.
Okay. So lastly, when you think of an event like Women Disruptors, what personal significance do they hold for you in your journey as a women leader?
Oh wow. So, like I said, because of the internet today, when you're seeing these journeys, it's hugely motivating. But I think you're most influenced by people who are in your close circles, or like very close to you. My mother is one such woman.
Yeah.
Of course, we all love our mothers and
Yeah.
have great admiration for our mothers. But my mom, even I've seen her as a professional, as a homemaker, as somebody who now works in a school for underprivileged children, who also is a co-founder of my brand.
Okay.
And so there is really nothing, there's no one sentence you can define my mother by.
Okay.
She has many qualities, and whatever she takes up, she really excels in those things. And I don't think anybody else does things as meticulously as her. I mean, she manages half my life also, so she's the biggest role model, and she makes me believe like nothing is impossible.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thanks.